question for Rain later.
Okay, so boys,
Okay.
have you finished your windows? Oh, there are two beautiful windows. Okay, well done, Simon. And Rain, do you have windows? Two blue squares. Let me see. Oh, well done. Well done. Great job, boys. Okay, let's go. Now we need some Rain. What is this, honey? What do you think? What is this? Rain. Honey, what is this? What do you think?
Orange.
Orange, yes. But what is this? Is this a door, a window, a roof? What is this?
Door.
That's right, a door.
Oh, yes.
So let's draw some. Let's draw a rectangle, cut it, and color it orange.
Brown.
Mhm.
Okay, orange.
Let's
Teacher said
draw
orange, so
a rectangle. So there is one door and there are two windows. How is it going, Simon?
so Rain. It
Finished.
Oh, you have finished.
It is-
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Oh, well done.
The
Great.
question for Rain, actually, Rain, can you tell me, please, how many
wonderful.
windows are
Right. Well done.
how
Okay,
many
listen to
windows
teacher.
are there? How many windows are there on the house? How many windows, Rain? Can you tell me? Did he say two? I think he said yes. Two. Well done. And what color are the windows, Rain?
Blue.
Well done, Rain. And one more question for you. Is the roof green? Is it green? Is the roof green?
No.
The roof of the house?
Yeah,
No.
no.
Great
What's the
job,
color?
Rain.
What's the color